I'm Dr. Labcoat here with some very sciencey science. I'm gonna find out if this camera works underwater, which, according to science, doesn't make sense, but people do it. So, a very delicate process. Acclimating the camera is, so it's a GoPro Hero, and it's on Super View. It's on Super View. It's gonna go in the water. I don't really wanna, cause like. Alright, so back to the super sciencey process of acclimating the camera to the water. I don't like it. I'm gonna put it over here first. And now, will it wet? According to science, taking off the little stubby I had on there, we're gonna hope that that is cool. The shrimps are right on the lens. Oh, that's so cool. Little babies going. My prediction is that I'm gonna have a very wet camera by the time it's done. In the name of science, it's worth it. It's gonna be fine. It'll be fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay, it's been in there for like 10 minutes now. So I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. Does it still go? Cause it's still recording. Oh my god. According to science, because refraction and bouncy waves and stuff, you can't see the lens when you're looking at it through this weird hex tank. And that's scientific and you know it. Back to shrimp cam. Okay, it says 15:57 and it's still recording. Doing it right here. Move. Very sciencey. Okay, goodbye. Okay, see what happens. Well, it's cool. I tried to play that video just now. It's still in there. Very, very, like none. No trace of water. You can see where the seal was and where it was working. A little bit moist around the seal. I'd dry it off before I did it again, but that's pretty great. Alright, I'm Dr. Labcoat. Maybe we'll do this again sometime.